Wow. Right. That's pretty good. Very nice. Yeah, okay. Don't force me, Cal. Do not force me to trust these, okay?
Alright.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Do it. That's right.
Is it gonna happen again?
Possibility. We're going for round 4.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we're going for round 4, Max. Round 4.
Meg says agreed.
Agreed. Agreed. Very nice. Very good. Oh, it's 27 degrees. Sweet! Well, she's warm.
Are you gonna do it again?
Maybe. Maybe. Maybe.
Is it gonna happen again?
Is it gonna happen again? Maybe. Nah, actually, I think I'm... Oh, hold on. Wait a minute. I'll let you know. I'll keep you posted.
Okay.
And now I get your chickens done for tomorrow. Tomorrow. I love you. Tomorrow.
Love you too.
And your little dog too.